want to learn how to create a baby version of yourself? For example, from this to this, from this to this, from this to this also, you can see. If it is what you want to learn, then this video is for you. If you are the kind of person that is not privileged to have a pictures when you were a baby, maybe your parents don't take your pictures when you were much younger, when you were a baby, and you wish to have a baby's picture, don't worry, I will show you how to do that here. Or maybe there is a particular pictures that you really love and you wish to have a baby version of that pictures, then this video will help you out. Okay? Alright, before I go into the main business of today, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Victoria Oluwaseun, a professional smartphone photo and video editor. I also teach people how they can edit with their smartphone professionally. Now let's go into the main business. You see this app? You see, it's called ChatGPT. In case you don't have it on your phone, go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download it. It's ChatGPT. Why are you still staring at me? Go and download the app now. Okay, you have it on your phone. You have downloaded it. Okay. You see this ChatGPT is powered by AI. And many people have been using it for their own advantage. Okay. Now let's open the app.
Alright, then the next thing is you click on this to bring in the image you want to use. Then click on photos. I'm making use of this image. Now you are going to write create a realistic baby version of this picture. Alright, you can see I said create a realistic baby version of this picture. Keep facial features similar, same eyes shape, skin tone should be cheeks, soft lighting, smooth baby skin, baby cloth, realistic photo style, not cartoon. High resolution, make it look like a natural baby photo, not AI generated image. You can see the way how I describe what I want. So you are going to describe exactly what you want to the ChatGPT. Okay, now you click on this and let's wait for what is going to generate for us. You can see getting started. Processing image. A lot of people are creating images right now, so this might take a bit. We will notify you when your image is ready. So you just have to be patient because it's going to take some time. Okay, so it's processing the image right now. Alright, you can see the beautiful baby that generates for us. See the real picture and see the baby version. So you just create whatever you want, you describe whatever you want, okay, and it's going to generate it for you. Okay, now you are going to long press it, then you click on this save to save your images. Now if you don't want it to be fat or have a big cheeks, you can also tell the AI is going to do that for you. Now let's generate another one also. You click on this, click on photo. Now let's make use of another picture. Now this one, let's say create a realistic, okay, let's make it 5 years old baby. So you said create a realistic 5 5 years old baby. Alright, you can see what I told the ChatGPT to do. I said create a realistic 5 years old baby. This time around, I tell the ChatGPT how many year old baby I want. You know the previous one, I didn't say the exact age. Now I said create a realistic 5 years old baby version of this picture. Keep facial features similar. Same eye shape, skin tone, and expression. Normal baby eyes, not too slim and should be. You know the previous one I said big baby eyes and should be, but this one I said baby eyes not too slim and should be cheeks, soft lighting, smooth baby skin, same cloth, same realistic photo style, not cartoon, high resolution, make it look like a natural baby photo, not AI generated, okay? Now press this. Let's see what the ChatGPT will generate for us this time around. Okay, it's getting started. So just be patient when it's creating your images for you, okay? Okay, you can see what the ChatGPT generates for us. See the real pictures and see the baby version of it. You can see that it's so realistic. The same cloth, the same hairstyles. You see exactly what we told the ChatGPT is 5 years old baby. See the 5 years old baby, okay? All you just have to do is describe what exactly you want. If you want it to change the cloth to another cloth, it's going to do that for you, okay? Now long press it, then save it. So this is how you can generate a baby version of your picture using AI.
So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment. If you have any question, feel free to drop the comments. I'm going to answer it. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can be among the first people YouTube will notify anytime I drop a helpful video like this. Okay?